Hey, welcome to our channel.
Sorry, I'll stop.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Yep.
Are y'all ready for another impersonation? Episode 4.
Here we go.
You can start, but let me talk.
Hey, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Yes, and if you are not a subscriber, become a subscriber.
Hit that red arrow subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, thank you.
And so today we've got another impersonation.
Yes, just one this time.
Yeah, we're doing one this time, just for time reasons. It takes a really, really long time, but I love this guy. He's, what would you say, he's very
professional.
Yeah, very professional.
He's a pro.
Yeah, nautical.
Yeah, nautical.
Okay, that's all we're gonna say. All right, are you ready?
Here we go.
Ahoy, YouTube crew. That means hello. Barbara and I use a lot of nautical terms because we served in the Navy, and ahoy, of course, means hello. Did you know that Alexander Graham Bell, he wanted us to say ahoy when we get on the phone? And Art of Rving wanted us to say, what's that? They still let me get on the air and broadcast some useless dribble every now and then. But most of my job is maintaining useless old equipment, like this one back here. What's that? So let's start the tour by checking out this boring piece of equipment behind me. Oh, and by the way, I'm not wearing a kilt, nor will there be a kilt in this video. So let's get started. I'd like to show you this ancient piece of equipment that I have back here. What's that? But there is one thing I'd like for you to know is I've got a bittersweet promotion. And even though I'm the big honcho now, but I'm going to remain the bold, fearless, upbeat, self-assured, secure person that I always was. And humble. What's that? But in here, MsRuby, she is the brains of the organization. She is a sweetheart. Are people still doing this? What's that? Humble. MsRuby? Hey, MsRuby. Thought we'd just come in and say hello. Yeah. MsRuby. Yeah. MsRuby. You sure look pretty in that dress today.
You think so? I always love a man with a deep voice and a beard. You come by here and see me anytime.
What's that? Humble. As far as I'm concerned, this is the most important piece of equipment that we have every day. Ever since I went to the doctor and had my castration, he only allows me to have 1 serving a day. What's that? Humble. Well, I hope that all of you have enjoyed this tour, and if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell. What's that? Humble. Make sure you thumbs up, hit the red bell, and hit that subscription.
Anytime.
And as always, I say, fair friends, fair weather, fair following seas. And God bless our troops. That's no joke.
Okay, so what do you think?
Oh.
He's nuts.
Oh, man,
yeah.
That's crazy. How'd you like MsRuby?
So this guy, like we said, is very professional.
Very. Yeah.
He's all about the Navy.
Just went under an operation.
Yeah, went under the knife.
Under the knife.
He supports our troops.
Yes.
Very patriotic.
Yes.
You know, America.
Love him for that, you know. So can you guess? Here goes. RV underway! I told you I was coming after you, man. Don't hurt me. Okay, well, we appreciate you watching the video, and we'll do another one.
Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey, welcome to our channel.
Sorry, I'll stop.
You can start, but let me talk.